Hey, what's going on, tech fans? Welcome back to another day at Tech of Tomorrow, where we got a little bit of rock and roll going on. I've got Buddy the dog and my homie Jesse Hunter. He was my guitar player in Painstoner, an awesome guy, and he's going to be doing some sampling today on some awesome pickups. That's right. This is my guitar over here. This is Sarah, and she's my baby, man. She's a Les Paul Standard. She's got a Babbitt's Bridge update, and she also has the Lust for Tone atomic pickups in it. Now, Lust for Tone is a very boutique company. I got boutique amps, got boutique equipment, so hey, why not have boutique pickups to go with it? Now, these things are supposed to be bringing out the total rock and roll arena of the 70s. Lots of nice sounds, lots of tight in without the boominess. The guy says it's tight like his wife. Like, hey, that's on you, bro. But anyways, thanks a lot to the guys over at Lust for Tone. So Jay's going to be taking this guitar to the riggers. He's going to play you a bunch of different samples. We're going to play clean, neck position, clean through the bridge position. And then we're going to bring you the rock and roll version of the same type of thing. And trust me, he plays guitar a zillion times better than I ever will. So with that said, though, let's first check out the pickup in the neck position. And Jesse's going to play it for us clean and beautiful. Next up, let's hear it in the middle position, which activates both pickups. Now let's check out those atomics in the bridge position. So, all right, folks, now it's time to get dirty. So let's listen to those atomics dirty style, starting off once again with that neck pickup. Now let's once again get dirty in that middle position. And last but not least, let's get dirty on a bridge. Folks out there who are wondering what exactly did we use to make today's recording, well, I used a 2010 iMac. That's right, cool little iMac, works just fine. I used the Apollo. This is the quad, works great. I also used the Axe-Fx 2. We use a couple different settings on there. We'll have some screenshots of those that you guys can check out as well. You guys saw earlier in the video that we used our Gibson guitar, and we also had a Laney Ironheart that we're using in the background for sound as well, but you probably don't really hear that on the recording. All right, folks, so there you guys have it. The lust for tone. When you're lusting for tone and you want some rockin' pickups, these are the Atomics. Now, these things are about $450, but they are incredible sounding. They're no noise at all. And you guys heard Jesse here. Well, he plays guitar awesomely. So thank you very much, man, for coming to being a guest today.
Definitely.
Yeah, we appreciate having you guys here. So if you guys want to check out more about these pickups, all the information will be down there below the like button. You guys said you wanted more music videos, so hey, we brought you one. Today's was the Lust for Tone Atomic Pickups with Buddy the Dog, Jesse Hunter, and me, Elric Ferris. We love you, and we'll see you guys back on here for more rock and roll on Tech of Tomorrow.